Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send BNB from your Tangem wallet to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and with Tangem's hardware wallet, you get top-notch security. Bitrue is a reliable exchange for trading, so let's get you set up quickly. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is fully set up and connected to your device. Open the Tangem app on your smartphone or computer, and ensure you're logged in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and locate your BNB holdings. It should be listed under your assets. Tap or click on it to select. Next, look for the Send or Transfer option, usually represented by an arrow icon. This is where the magic happens. You'll need the Bitrue wallet address ready. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to the deposit section, and copy the BNB address. Don't forget to double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, paste that address into the recipient field in your Tangem wallet. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, but leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Tangem will show you a transaction summary. Review it carefully for details like gas fees and total cost. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to verify with your Tangem hardware device, like scanning a QR code or using a PIN. This adds an extra layer of security, which is awesome for peace of mind. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. It usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your BNB should now be in your Bitrue account. Always remember to keep your private keys safe and never share them. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.